Coevolution can be seen between certain nectar-feeding birds and the plants that they forage on. Over time, the selective pressures created by the birds and the plants interacting with one another will shape their biology. Similar bill and flower morphology, coloration of flower, and synchronized bird migration with flower bloom are all the result of this coevolution. Although many tropical hummingbirds have developed specialized relationships with the flowers they forage upon, is there any evidence for coevolution between eastern North America's ruby-throated hummingbird and its common food plants? In order for plants to select for modifications that will favor bird pollination needs to be better than pollination by other agents, and if birds are to favor a plant and modify their foraging behavior towards it, the plant must provide a stable and prodigious source of nectar. Out of all the plants that ruby throats visit in their extensive range, the orange jewelweed provides a suitable candidate for coevolution. Their ranges closely mirror one another, and studies have shown that seed production is higher in pollinated flowers that have been visited by hummingbirds as opposed to just bees. Throughout the jewelweed's range, there are significantly higher concentrations of sugar found in the nectar of these flowers where ruby throat pollination is common. This is clear evidence that the ruby-throated hummingbird has affected the fitness of the jewelweed, but there is not a highly specialized obligate relationship between the bird and the plant. And although some characteristics of the plant have evolved in response to the bird, it doesn't appear that any of the bird's characteristics have evolved to match the plant. It is likely that asymmetric coevolution is common in nature, caused by the unequal costs and benefits experienced by the different partners as they evolve together. A highly specialized relationship between the jewelweed and the ruby-throated hummingbird is not likely to occur. Ruby throats feed upon a wide variety of plants as well as insects and sap, but as a late summer blooming flower, the jewelweed provides a valuable nectar source as the hummingbird migrates south.